Good morning, student. Welcome here in this video tutorial. Today we will discuss our chapter on equality, that is chapter number 1 from your civics. Fine. So, before going to start the chapter, just take a quick recap of your previous class. As you all of you know that we have already studied about our country India, and you know that India is a democracy. So just look at here, student. What do you understand by democracy? We have already studied in our previous class also. What do you understand by democracy? Democracy, you can say that it is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. How? How you can say that it is the government of the people, by the people, for the people? Because democracy, as you all of you know that about our country, and yes, a democracy. So democracy, it means it is a form of government in which the people have the authority. Fine. Which one? Yes, people have the authority to choose their government legislator. In a direct democracy, the people directly deliberate and decide on legislation. The meaning of the democracy: democracy is the governance of the people, by the people, and for the people. This point is also important. We have already studied in our previous class also, but right now just take a quick recap. Fine. So if you talk about the key elements of democracy, fine. So which one? Participation of the people in decision making. Okay. And dispute resolution and equality and justice. Here these are the key elements of democracy. So fine, student, in this chapter on equality, this is the first chapter from your civics. So in this chapter you will read more about equality, in which we will read more about equality, what is it, why it is important in a democracy, fine, and whether or not everyone is equal in India. You can see that this chapter is very interesting, and so many stories also given. With the help of them you can easily understand the chapter. So student, just look at the picture. As you can see here, some of the people are standing in a straight line. So why? What's the reason why they all are standing? Why? Yes, because they all are waiting for what? To come their turn. About which turn? Because today is an election day. So just like Abdul Rahman, Shabana Bano, then which one? The next one, Gracie Lang, consultant. So different people from different field, just like some of teacher, trader, even student also, then housewife also, consultant, industrial also. But if we talk about the day of election, voting day, they all are equal because they all have same right to vote. Fine. So that's why under democracy, under constitution, our constitution has given fundamental right to all of you, and one of the fundamental right, freedom to vote under this. Fine. With now let's start a story with two women, one of Kanta and then Sujata. On election day, Kanta and her friend Sujata, they are waiting to cast their votes. Fine. So now they started a conversation between Kanta saying, is it good, Sujata, that we can all vote as equal citizen of our country, even Jain Sahab? Now, who is Jain Sahab? Kanta is a house worker, okay, and domestic worker. You can say that Kanta is a domestic worker who work in a Jain Sir house, home. Fine. So at that time when she was standing in a line with her friend Sujata, She thought that we all are equal. It doesn't matter from where, rich or either poor. So after this, whenever the Kanta's turn came, what she thought? She thought that I will vote for the candidate who has promised to bring pipe water to our area, because some of the candidate had promised to which area, Kanta's area, to provide water. Okay, water, pipe water. So that's why whenever they both are were going, they both were going to home again. Now Kanta said, my daughter is not feeling well, but I have to go to work. Why? Because I want advance payment, because I have to take my daughter at home. Again, whenever she came to home, she said to her daughter, Gudia, just take a rest. At evening, I will back and so at last, uh, it's no wonder that Gudia falls ill. Why? What's the reason behind it? Because that basti where Kanta live, that basti is never clean, so dirty. So that's the reason Gudia fall ill often, so many times. When the Kanta was doing or was cleaning, then what's the her madam said, make sure to do the corner properly clean. After finish the work, what the Kanta said to her ma'am, please give me advance. Her ma'am has given advance to Kanta, but she warned her also, don't make a habit. Now just look at here. Look at this picture. Again Kanta and her daughter standing in a straight line. And but think, yes, but is it? If we talk about the other people also, both are standing to which thing? Now not to cast vote, but about which thing? They are waiting which thing? In a government hospital. So here, but at morning time, what the Kanta thought, we all are equal. But whenever at evening, as her day goes on, Kanta becomes less certain about what this equality really means. Fine. So, is it? Just look at the day in her life. As you know, Kanta lives in a slum and has a drain behind her house. Her daughter is sick, but she cannot take the day off. Even she cannot. वो एक छुट्टी भी नहीं ले सकती. She has to work because she needs to borrow money. Okay. So her job as a domestic help tries her out, and finally she ends her day by again standing in a long line. Again long line, still she is standing, but right now she is standing outside the government hospital to wait. Fine, अपनी बारी आने का इंतजार. This line is front of the government hospital. Is unlike the one in the morning, because most of the people standing it in are poor. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट एट लास्ट कांता क्या सोचती है, क्या सच में हम इक्वल हैं? हमें गवर्नमेंट ने इक्वल राइट दिए हैं, ओके, बट ओनली फ्रॉम वेयर? ओनली टू राइट टू वोट. बट व्हाट अबाउट द अदर थिंग? अगर मेरे जैन सर की तबीयत, उनके बेटे की तबीयत खराब होती है, वेन एवर ही टेक हर डॉटर फ्रॉम वेयर? प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल. बट व्हाट अबाउट me now, right now I am standing front of in the which thing? Government hospital. That's the difference between rich and poor. Here the word come here, is it equality or inequality right now? As you all of you know that equal right to vote. The story, as we read now, right now we have study, begin with the Kanta standing in a line to cast her vote. But now, as you know, if you talk about the which thing, okay, fine, same line in a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. This one we have already studied in our previous class also. Universal adult franchise. Which word? Universal adult franchise. This is very important aspect of democratic society. It means that all adults, fine, just who are 18 or above 18, citizens have the right to vote irrespective of their social or economic background. It doesn't matter, okay, either rich, either poor, all, even which caste they belong, either how much education they had, all adults, it means adult means here those who are 18 or above citizen have the right to vote. It means which one? Universal adult franchisee. मतलब पता है ना वीडियो बना रही है. Now the student, just look at here, okay, other kinds of equality. Some other kinds also here. As you know, Kanta is one of many people who live in democratic India and who have the right to vote, but whose daily living and working condition are far from equal. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कांता की स्टोरी को कि वो एक डोमेस्टिक वर्कर है, बट वो एक डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री में रह रही है तो उसे इक्वल राइट है वोट देने का. बट अगर हम बात करें उसकी डेली लाइफ की, वर्किंग कंडीशन की, सो ऑल आर वेरी फार फ्रॉम इक्वल. Fine, because she is very poor. So apart from being poor, people in India experience equality in different way. Here the question come, okay, now we got the here ki some of the people also discriminated for the either he is rich और she is rich or poor. Find it. कुछ लोगों को inequality देखने को मिलती है क्योंकि वो गरीब है. Now let's see. We will discuss another. Now let's see. Again we will discuss about the two story also, जिससे हमें पता चलेगा कि apart from being a poor के अलावा भी which are other two things that any person can face the inequality situation. So the first story is the story of Om Prakash Valmiki and the second one story is the story of Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. First, we will talk about the story of Om Prakash Valmiki. Now let us read. Fine. So, in which thing? Experience of a Dalit child attending school. Here the word come Dalit. Okay, fine. Dalit means, broken. And that word using this word lower caste, दलित वर्ड यूज किया जाता है बेटा जो लोअर कास्ट के लोग होते हैं. ओके, एंड आर पॉइंटिंग टू हाउ दे वर एंड कंटिन्यू टू बी सीरियसली डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड अगेन. सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द स्टोरी ऑफ Om Prakash Valmiki. Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer. Fine. In his autobiography, Juthan, he wrote one autobiography. Who wrote the Om Prakash Valmiki wrote his autobiography named Juthan, where he wrote so many things which he experienced at the time of school. Whenever which thing he had to sit away from the others in the classroom also, that too on the floor also, because he belonged to which thing, Dalit, lower caste also he belonged. So sometimes he got punishment also from his school master that sweep the whole school and whole ground. So is it while the rest of the students were studying, Om Prakash Valmiki क्या कर रहे होते थे उस टाइम, स्कूल की सफाई कर रहे होते थे. So that's why so many things he has faced in his school time. Sometimes some of the teachers also which thing beaten also, उनको पिटाई भी कर दी जाती थी बिना बात के, because of which thing, only of Dalit, only which thing, क्योंकि वो दलित उससे बिलोंग करते थे. The first one aspect of Kanta's story. Now the second aspect of Om Prakash Valmiki, where he faced so many problems while his childhood in the school. Okay, about which thing, Dalit caste. Then the next story is Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. Okay, the second story is based on an incident that took place in one of India's largest city. Okay, so as you know, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari both were looking to rent an apartment in the city. They had the money, and so paying the rent was no problem. They went to a property dealer for help because they wanted to get a wish thing room, nice room in the mid of the city. And they had money also. उनके पास money की भी कोई problem नहीं थी. The dealer informed them he knew about quite a few apartments that were available. Dealer ने बताया काफी apartment है. चलो let's see. We will. When the landlady found out their name, जैसे ही landlady को पता चला अंसारी, it means they belong to which thing? Yes, religion, different religion. Quickly, that landlady refused to which thing? There is no house available. Okay, she made an excuse about how she could, which thing? Yes, how she could not rent the house to someone who ate non vegetarian because the building did not have any non vegetarian resident. So, both the Ansari and the property dealer were surprised to hear this because they could smell fish also. So, that's why finally the property dealer told them they might want to change their name and call them Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. But the Ansaris were reluctant. उन्होंने मना कर दिया to do this and decided to look some more. In the end, it took a whole month of looking at apartment before they found a landlady who was willing to give them a place on rent. So here, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari again faced inequality situation. Why? Because of religion. Here, the ओम प्रकाश वाल्मीकि उन्होंने इनइक्वालिटी की सिचुएशन फेस करी. हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने अलाउ किया है कि वी ऑल आर इक्वल, बट स्टिल some places, not some places, you can say that so many times we have faced so many discrimination about which thing. Just like we have read all about the Kanta story, about which thing? About either rich or poor. Okay, then which thing? The next one, rich and poor to done. Then next one, which one? Caste. Okay, fine, upper caste, lower caste. Then fine, after this, religion also. So these are the which things. People who discriminate on the basis of which thing? Yes, caste, then religion also, and upper caste and lower caste. Okay, fine, like this. Now the student, if we talk about the recognizing dignity. Okay, now you have understood by now which thing? Caste, we are born into the religion we practice. The class background we come from, whether we are male or female. Fine. These are often the things that determine why some people are treated unequally. Just like Om Prakash and Valmiki and the Ansaris and being treated unequally on the basis of difference of caste and religion. So here the word come dignity. When person are treated unequally, okay, जब person unequally treat होता है, their dignity is violated, उसकी dignity hurt होती है. So dignity is the right of a person. Dignity क्या है आपका? Dignity is the right of a person to be valued and respect for their sake and to be treated ethically. Fine. Just like the dignity of both Om Prakash Valmiki and the Ansaris was violated because of the way which they were treated. So by picking on him and making him sweep the school just like because of his caste, सफाई करनी पड़ती थी उन्हें. Valmiki's also schoolmates and teacher hurt his dignity badly and made him feel as if he was less than equal to all other students. Being a child, just like Om Prakash Valmiki could be do a little about the situation that he was in. So that's why, the next one we already read about this Ansari dignity, who also hurt when person refused to lease, okay, then their apartment to him. However, when the property dealer suggests that they change their name, उन्हें अपना name change करना पड़ेगा कि फाइन उन्हें तभी फ्लैट मिलेगा अगर वो अपना नेम चेंज करेंगे. सो इट वॉज देयर डिग्निटी. हुज डिग्निटी? मिस्टर अंसारी एंड मिसेस अंसारी डिग्निटी और सेल्फ respect that made them refuse this suggestion. Picture also beta, here as you can see the 3 images given over. So you must know about, okay, In the 1975, when in the 1975 film Diwar, a boy who worked as a shoes shine refused to pick up a coin thrown at him. एक वर्कर जब पॉलिश करने का काम करते हैं उसके पास फेंका गया कॉइन, ठीक है. He refused to pick up a coin. Why? Because dignity hurt. इसकी क्या dignity? Self respect hurt हुई. He feel that there is a dignity in his work that he does and insist that his fee be given respectfully. मैं कोई गलत काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं वर्क कर रहा हूँ, ठीक है, फाइन. और मेरा जो काम है मुझे इसके लिए सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट मिलनी, मेरी क्यों डिग्निटी हर्ट कर रहे हो, और मेरा जो वर्क है उसकी फी मुझे रिस्पेक्टफुली मिलनी चाहिए. Student, let's come here. Equality in Indian democracy. Fine. So how you can say that the Indian Constitution, all of you know about the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution recognizes every person as equal. This means that every individual in the country belonging to any caste, religion, tribe, economic or educational background is equal. It doesn't matter either rich, either poor, either upper caste, either lower caste, either which religion, Hinduism, Muslim, either any from tribe, even economic situation. What about educational background? How much? All are equal in front of law according to the Constitution recognizes. Fine. So इक्वालिटी इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इट प्रिजर्व द डिग्निटी. हमारी क्या प्रिजर्व करती है? हमारी डिग्निटी प्रिजर्व करती है of an individual. Dignity means all of you know about the self-respect and the respect an individual deserves from others. Being a fellow human being, it is an essential and a basic human right. Which is an essential and basic human right? Dignity. Every person has access. Okay, if we talk about our country India, everyone has to access to all public place, including any public park also, hotel, shop, market. Whenever we want to go, we can go freely in our country India, because Constitution has given access to all the individual. Where they want to go within the country, they can go.